What is up, Bestie Boo? I hope you guys are doing good, girl. I'm doing good. Today's video, we're going to be trying this item that I got in the mail today from a brand called SheGlam. This is the It Curl One Touch Instant Curler. This is a 1¼ inch barrel. I've seen things like this online. I've never owned one before, and I'm kind of skeptical. I don't know why I think that these don't work. So let's go ahead and try it out and see how we like it on this hair. Alright, so this is the way that she looks like. I've never, again, seen anything like this before in person. I've seen stuff like this online. I've seen other girls do it, but I've never seen anything like this in person, for me personally. So let me read the instructions, and then let's see if this is easy, if this is hard, and if it works on my hair. All right, girls, so step number 1 is saying to plug in the power cord, which I did. Turn on the curler. On. I don't know if it's on. I figured it out. You have to press and hold, and it makes a sound. And then it says to select the desired temperature. So I think I want it like, okay, let's do it to 410, which is the highest. It has 340 degrees Fahrenheit, 380 degrees Fahrenheit, or 410 degrees Fahrenheit. It says the LED, oh, and it also says to figure out which way you want it curled, to the right or to the left. I'm not picky, so I'm going to use just one side of it. So this is how it looks right here. One side, so you can like switch sides or whatever. And then it says, when the curler emits a long bead, that's when you know it's ready. So it says, hold the curler vertically, which is up and down, right? Horizontal, just think about a horizon, vertically like this. Take a 1-inch section of hair and place it along the long hair slot. What? Along the hair slot. Press and hold the rotating button until the hair is completely wrapped around the curling barrel, then release the button. When you hear 2 short beeps, slowly pull the hair out of the curler. Okay, let me see here. The working surface and the front of the curler become very hot when powered on. Avoid direct contact with the skin, especially the eyes, neck, ears, and face. Ensure your hair is dry and combed through before use, and allow the curler to cool completely before storage. Okay, that's pretty much all it says, the directions. So I've never done this before, so let's wait until it beeps, and then we'll go ahead and try it. So in the meantime, let me get like a piece of hair. Let's just do, let me see. Hopefully I have enough time in this video. Let's see how fast this thing goes. So let me wait until it beeps. That's why I know it's ready, so we can start. Okay, girls, so it literally just beeped, so it's really not that long. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay, hopefully I don't get this all caught up in my hair. Okay, so it says to, let me see, hold the curler vertically. Take the 1-inch section of hair and place it into the long hair slot. The long hair slot. Like in here? Is this how you do it? Let me see. I don't even know if I'm doing it right. How do you do it? Like this? No, that's dumb. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Front, back. What am I doing? What am I doing? How do I do this? Like this? Like this? What am I doing? What am I doing? Nothing's happening. Okay, hold on. Do I put it in here? Like this? I don't know what the heck I'm doing, girl. Let me learn. Hold on. Let me see. Like that? Am I doing it right? Let me learn. Hold on. Let me see. Like this. Okay. Let me figure this out a few more times, and then I'll come back to you. But it is hot. I can feel my hair hot. Okay. I think I figured it out. So basically, you see that long section right there. There's like, let me move the barrel a little bit. So you see that there's like a long piece right there. I guess the goal is to stick the hair piece in there, like to stick it inside there, and then it will slowly start like wrapping the hair around just like this. Like that. Oh, do you see that? Okay, how can I do it for my long hair though? Let's see. How can I do it for long hair? And it just keeps beeping the whole time. Let me see. Oh, like this. I got it. Okay. Like this. Oh, okay. I'm getting the hang of it. That was the first one. Let's see if I can continue. It just keeps beeping the whole time. I don't know if I like that. Let's see. So stick this into the hair slot. Like this. Let's see if I can do it this way. It's like wrapping itself around. Just like that. You pull it out slowly. I think that's how you do it. Okay. Oops, I think I messed up that one. I don't know. I think I messed that one up. So I may need to practice with this tool a few more times to see if I know what the heck I'm doing. Oh, that one came out really pretty. Oh, how nice. So this is the before hair. like nothing, not curled, nothing. And then this is it after. It's pretty. It's super like waterfall curls. Okay, we'll try it on the other side. Let's see. So stick it in side, like you wedge it like in there, you see? And then he's gonna like let it start curling in. Just like that. Just like this, and then like let it go. Ooh, that's pretty. Yeah, so you need to make sure to get like thin enough sections, not too thick of sections. To like wedge it in between that little area, like I was mentioning, like this little area. But be careful not to burn yourself. Okay. So wedge it in like this, and then let it curl your hair. Ooh, so it can be used for long hair too. It's just a matter of like wedging it in to that little area, and then like pulling it out slowly. Ooh, she's pretty. Okay, let me do the rest of my hair and then we'll come back. So I noticed that like if you mess up like wrapping your hair, it will automatically fix itself if you give it like enough time. Like if you keep doing this, it will eventually like fix itself if you don't know how to wrap it correctly. So my last impression, my first and last impression of this is that it's very cool looking as my first impression, and my last impression is that it could be kind of hard for someone to like figure out if they don't know how, like what the heck they're doing, like me. But eventually it gets pretty easy. And I just like to hold the hair here just like this. So let me know if you guys like this product, if you've tried this product, and if you think the curls look cute. What do you think, girls? Probably gonna do this out a little bit more. But what do you think, baby girl? I love it. It's so nice. Yes. Anyway, have a good night.